So in this video, I will tell you how to process a COD order. So first of all, let's create a test COD order. So this is my sample store. So let's just create a test COD order first. If you're not able to see this cash on delivery option in your storefront, then you need to enable this. I have already uploaded a video on how to activate COD option in your storefront. You can watch in this same channel. So let's just create a COD order first. Okay, so we add 60 rupees COD fees, and we have applied a pay online button as well if your user changes his mind. So you can just, okay, so you will be able to see your deposited 500 rupees and COD is enabled, and the recent order ID, which was 122 with the customer details, and status is pending, COD confirmation is required. So when we just go to send WhatsApp, it will create a message for you. And when I just open WhatsApp, so it will start a chat. Yeah, so this is a simple WhatsApp confirmation chat. So this message will be sent by your number, and you can customize your number by creating a WhatsApp business account. Okay, so this type of COD confirmation will be sent. So when you have received a yes from your customer, you can just simply log in back, and you will see some options like confirm, reject, or resend. So once it get confirmed, you need to hit it confirm, so the landlord will be not notified to process the order. And when you hover to the orders, you will be able to see that this order is already verified. COD confirmation is confirmed, and the COD confirmation status is also confirmed. So simply we will dispatch it. So this was a video on how to process a COD order from your